Hello there, welcome to Social Guidance. In this video, I will show you how to create YouTube intro on Canva. So for this, I'm here on canva.com and you need to search for YouTube intro and press enter. Now here you will get different templates like this or like this. So from here, you can choose the one which you like the most. It's looking attractive. Then you can add this one here. You can add your photos in the background or videos, and in the same way you can create intro. If you want to create a faceless intro, then you also have different options. So let's go with this one here. Click on customize template. And now here you can edit each and every part of this. So first of all, we will add our photo here. So go to uploads and here you can add your photo. So I will add this one here. You need to simply drag it and drop it. Now double tap on it and here you can adjust the position. Like this. Then you can add your channel name here. So I will add our channel name. And you're good to go. If I click on play, so this is the intro for the YouTube. In this way, you can create YouTube intro on Canva. If this video helped you, leave a like on the video and make sure to subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.